Hello everyone, welcome back to Napu channel. For those of you who have watched our previous videos are already familiar with our Laos natural Agarwood. Today I will introduce to you a new product which is coin shape made from Laos natural Agarwood. Let's explore it. Firstly, let me introduce some information about this material so you can better understand the product. Laos natural Agarwood is characterized by the lightweight, brown color and mid scent. Its essential oil content is moderate, which makes it quite affordable and accessible to many customers. As you can see, this pattern has round coin shape. The shape is a traditional symbol in Asian culture, representing good fortune, prosperity, and protection. The circular form with the hole in the center symbolizes harmony, completeness, and the smooth flow of energy. Made from Laos natural Agarwood, this pattern not only offers aesthetic value but also carries spiritual and feng shui significance. The brown color and natural oil patterns create a rustic yet elegant appearance, suitable for both men and women. The blend of traditional design and natural material makes this pattern a unique piece of jewelry that is both modern and cultural rich. Additionally, because this pattern is not treated with any chemical or additives, it retains the gentle, distinctive aroma of agarwood, providing a soothing and pleasant experience for the wearer. This makes it an ideal choice for those who love natural jewelry and want a piece of jewelry that suits both men and women. For men, this pattern offers a strong and refined appearance. The brown color and natural oil patterns of Laos natural Agarwood create a rustic yet distinctively masculine beauty. Its simple yet striking design enhances the wearer's elegance and personality, making it versatile enough to wear with both formal and casual office. For women, it provides an elegant and graceful look. The round shape and natural Agarwood material highlight feminine and sophisticated quality. It is a perfect accessory to complement dresses or office wear, adding a subtle yet attractive look. The versatility in style and design of Laos natural Agarwood round coin pattern makes it an ideal choice for anyone, regardless of gender. It is not just a piece of jewelry, but also a symbol of luck and prosperity, making it a great gift or a special treat for oneself. This pattern feels light and comfortable to hold in the hand. For those who prefer a pattern with a smaller or larger size, you can customize it to ensure it perfectly matches your personal style. For women, we can order an additional pair of earrings with the same style and material to coordinate, which is also very unique. Regarding the fragrance, the moderate essential oil content of this Laos natural Agarwood results in a gentle, delicate, and pleasant fragrance. This makes it an excellent choice for those who appreciate a refined and gentle scent. And that's all about Laos natural Agarwood round coin shape pattern. For those of you who are interested in this product, don't hesitate to contact us via our website or WhatsApp phone number below for the most specific advice. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.